Come with us to Doddington Hall to install 2 Mammotion Luba 2 all-wheel drive 10,000 robot mowers. We've got an area of over 14,000 square metres here for the robots to cover. Here you can see that the Doddington Hall maintenance team have built a custom shelter for the robots to charge and dock in. We made sure to tidy the base station area using the mowers to trim all the long grass. Firstly, we installed the reference and charging stations, making sure they are secured to the ground and the reference stations have a clear view of all the satellites in the sky. We then measured the area of the grass to find the midpoint so we can easily decide the areas that both mowers are going to cover. Then it was time to get mapping. We carefully walked the perimeter to map both of the robots' working area. After this, we then went back and highlighted any no-go zones, like the benches and the trees that are scattered about. Now all that's left to do is to plan their mowing schedule on the app and set them to work. We will come back in around 4 weeks' time to see how they are getting on. If you like this video, make sure you leave a like and click the subscribe button so you don't miss any of our future videos.